Good evening everybody, and welcome to day 18 of lockdown. It's really warm tonight. So last night I set the camera at the junction of paths, hopefully trying to capture either the dog or the vixen coming in. I was banking on the dog coming in, the male fox. I'll be honest, I was panicking a bit because it was pretty close to where people walk on a regular basis. Even that late at night you still get people walking around, and it was pretty clear that the camera was there at dusk. And I think if you were to walk past it and it would trigger, I think it does sort of very low red light, so it might have. Anyway, I was panicking a bit that it would be found. So this morning when I went to pick it up, I was a bit on edge, but luckily it was still there. Not all the bait had gone, most of it had gone, but I found a few pieces which I picked up and put back in my bag for tonight. Sadly, no footage, nothing. No, nothing at all, so a little bit disappointing that. So tonight I had planned on sort of having a break from trying to capture the fox, and I was just going to put it somewhere completely out of the way, completely hidden, but somewhere where animals might wander, and if I get anything great, it's another lead to go off. But then, just before I came out, I thought, I think tonight I might just put the camera back where we spotted the male fox, but just lower it down to the ground a bit. So if I put some bait right near the camera, we might get some close-up shots. So I think I'm just going to do that tonight, and maybe we'll do the different location another night. So that's the plan. Oh, I don't know where you call that then. Massive clap of thunder, and it is really muggy tonight, and it's looking very overcast. Maybe we're going to get some thunder and lightning. I do like a bit of thunder and lightning, but that might mean we get a lot of rain in the night. I don't know if that'll deter the fox or not. Quite a few of you have been watching the hints and tips video for the wildlife camera and been leaving some really nice comments, so thank you very much for those, really appreciate it. It took quite a lot of time putting that video together, even though it's only reasonably short. Yeah, it took me quite a bit of time, but I learned so much from it, so that's good. Yeah, these I wish the camera was pointing the other way. The kestrel flew right in front of me then. Just gone over into that field. These wild animals are proving a lot trickier to capture on video. I thought it was just going to be a case of stick the camera out, leave it overnight, and then loads and loads of footage. Badgers, foxes, deer, squirrels, you name it. But it's just not been like that at all. But like I say, persistence is the key. So I mean, first week I was really pleased I'd caught a fox on video. Now we've caught two, so that's even better. And the rat as well, although didn't really want it, but it's another item of wildlife, so they all count. Right, no sooner have I heard the thunder, it's just started raining. So I've just done a 180, and I'm now heading back. I won't set the camera before this rain gets any heavier. There's a bit of a black cloud up there. Well, you can hear it. I'm not too bothered about my iPhone. It's an iPhone X and that's waterproof. The gimbal, I'm pretty sure, isn't. There's nothing worse than getting your gimbal wet. Right, I'm just going to go off now, set the camera. Short video tonight, just a bit of a walk, and we'll see what we get in the morning. See if we can get some close-up shots of the male fox. So yeah, sorry it's only a short one, but I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button up there or the one down here, and don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.